Baba.
Mama.
Mama.
Are you gonna vacuum in here?
I'm gonna clean the house today.
Is this your favorite toy that Sabine Kala gave you?
Vacuuming the floor, over to the door. I'm gonna learn new things today. Tomorrow I'll learn more.
Say thank you, Sabine Kala. Say thank you for the vacuum cleaner. How old are you? You're 14 months. 14 months. And your favorite toy is the vacuum cleaner. Yeah, because you saw Mama vacuuming. Now you want to vacuum. Ooh. Can you get up and vacuum? What are you doing? Come on, get up and vacuum. Here you go.
I'm gonna clean the house today. I'm gonna vacuum while I play. Vacuuming the floor, over to the door. I'm gonna learn new things today. Tomorrow I'll learn some more.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Yippee!